Hello friends, in this video we will learn about U, that mean in Marathi पहिला उकार or ह्रस्व उकार. In it we will learn sounds, writing, words, letters and words of U sound. मराठी वर्णमाला और मराठी अल्फाबेट्स. In it मराठी स्वर और vowels and मराठी व्यंजने और consonants like this. For U sound letters or पहिला उकार letters we need to add U स्वर plus one any अक्षर or letter, then we will get पहिला उकार, ह्रस्व उकार or U sound words. This is a Marathi स्वर U. Its स्वर is very short like a U. When U sound is come at the end of the word, then we need to this symbol. It's called पहिला उकार or ह्रस्व उकार. When we are writing in Marathi U sound words, then we need to always use U at the end of the letter. Here is a पहिला उकार or ह्रस्व उकार words how to make. Let's see. K plus U is equal to ku, K plus U is equal to ku, G plus U बरोबर गु, G plus U बरोबर गु. Same like that. Next. Chu, chu, ju, झू, टू, ठू, डू, ढूणू, तू, थू, दू, धूनु, पू, फू, बू, भूमु, यू, रू, लू, ऊशु, शू, सु, क्षु, न्यू. All these are U sound letter or पहिला उकार letters. If you wanna do study more and more on पहिला उकार words, so I made already one video for you. Here please check links in description box or check my channel. Here is all पहिला उकार letters, that means U sound letters and its spelling in English. You can see I use everywhere at the end U for U sound letter. So keep remember when you want to write U sound word, so you should use U at the end of letter spelling. Now let's learn how to draw पहिला उकार. This is a symbol of पहिला उकार, means U sound. Let's see how to draw पहिला उकार. Always draw it below the letter. Let's see how to draw it. First draw a small circle and make a one curl line at the left side of the letter. Let's see how to write Marathi. Now start with ku. First draw K like this, big standing line and join two half circle opposite to each other like this. This is a K. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top. It's called ku. Kudos, kung fu. Observe both spellings and letters. Next Marathi letter is khu. First draw K. Small half circle join to big half circle, join with big vertical line and at the middle draw small half circle. It's called K. Now draw पहिला उकार means circle and left side curl line. It's called khu. Word is khus khus. Next letter is gu. First draw G, big curl line at the bottom, make a circle and next to it draw big vertical line. This is a G. Now draw पहिला उकार and horizontal line on the top. Its sound is gu. Word is gu l. Next letter is ghu. First draw G means two half circle join to each other like this, join with big vertical line and at the bottom draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top. Its sound is ghu. Next letter is chu. First draw horizontal line, join with small half circle and join with big vertical line. It's called ch. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top of the letter. Its sound is chu. Next letter is chu. First draw ch. One small half circle join to another half circle and go up and then make a circle like this, join with small vertical line and it's called ch. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top. It's called chu. Now draw ju means small half circle, join small horizontal line and join with the big vertical line. It's called j. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line at the top. It's called ju. Word is ju न. Observe both words. Next letter is ju. First draw z, small vertical line and join इंग्रजी letter S and at the end make a tail like this and at the middle make horizontal line and join with big vertical line. It's called z. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top. It's called zu. Word is झुंबा. Next letter is tu. First draw T, small vertical line, join big half circle, it's called T. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called Tu. Word is tube. Next letter is Tu. First draw small vertical line and join big circle at the bottom, it's called Th. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called Tu. Word is Thumka. Next letter is Do. First draw small vertical line and join इंग्रजी letter S, it's called D. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called Do. Word is dude or duet. Next letter is Do. First draw D, small vertical line and join big half circle at the bottom and make a one circle inside it, it's called D. Now draw पहिला उकार like this, horizontal line on the top, it's called Do. Next letter is Nu. First draw N, big oval shape upward small half circle, next to it draw big vertical line, it's called N. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line and the top, it's called Nu. Next letter is Tu. First draw T, means big vertical line and at the middle make horizontal line and downsided vertical line, it's called T. Now draw पहिला उकार like this, horizontal line on the top, its sound is Tu. Word is Tur. Next letter is Thu. First draw small half circle and join to big half circle and draw again big half circle and make a horizontal line next to it, it's called Th. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called Thu. Now draw Du. First draw the small vertical line, half circle, inside draw small tail like this, it's called the. Now draw पहिला उकार and horizontal line on the top, it's called Du. Word is Du-ba-e. Next letter is Dhu. First draw the circle, join to big half circle, then again join one half circle, join to big vertical line, it's called the. Now draw पहिला उकार like this, horizontal line on the top, it's called Dhu. Using word is Sadhu. Next letter is Nu. First draw N, one circle, make one circle and join upward horizontal line, join to big vertical line, it's called N. Now draw पहिला उकार like this, horizontal line on the top, it's called Nu. Its word is numeral. Next letter is Pu. First draw P, vertical line, horizontal line and join big vertical line, it's called P. Now draw पहिला उकार like this, horizontal line on the top, it's called Pu. Word is push. Next letter is Fu. First draw big vertical line and at the left side make a vertical line and big horizontal line, again downsided vertical line, it's called Fu. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called Fu. Word is full. Next letter is Bu. First draw B, big vertical line and at the middle make a half circle and inside the half circle make a slanting line like this, it's called B. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called Bu. Word is bush. Next letter is Bhu. First draw B, means small circle, join vertical line and horizontal line, join to big vertical line, it's called V. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top, its sound is Bhu. Next letter is Mu. First draw M, big vertical line and take a turn, draw horizontal line and join with vertical line, it's called M. Now draw पहिला उकार like this, horizontal line on the top, it's called Mu. Its word is mucus. Now draw U. First draw small half circle, join to big half circle and join big vertical line, it's called U. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called U. Word is yug. Next letter is Ru. First draw R, half circle and make a sanding line like this, it's called R. Now draw पहिला उकार at the middle of the R like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called Ru. Word is ruler. Next letter is Lu. First draw two half circle at the bottom, it's called Lo. Small vertical line, it's called Lo. Now draw पहिला उकार like this here and horizontal line on the top, it's called Lu. Word is Luna. Next letter is U. First draw big vertical line and at the middle make a one half circle like this, it's called V. Now draw पहिला उकार like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called U. Next letter is shu. First draw sh. First draw small circle, join to half circle and make a slanting line at the end like this, and next to it draw big vertical line, it's called sh. Now draw pahla ukar like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called shu. Word is shoot. Next letter is shu. So first draw sh. So first draw p and at the middle make a one slanting line, it's called sh. Now draw pahla ukar like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called shu. Next letter is su. First draw s means big half circle, join slanting line at the end and middle of it make a horizontal line and join to big vertical line, it's called s. Now draw pahla ukar like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called su. Word is sufi. Next letter is hu. First draw h, small vertical line, join half s and join to one more half s, it's called h. Now draw pahla ukar like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called hu. Word is human. Next letter is ru. First draw r, join two circle each other like this at the bottom and join one vertical line at the top, it's called r. Now draw pahla ukar like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called ru. Next letter is kshu. First draw ksha, small circle, join s and make a tail like this and at the middle make a horizontal line and join to the big vertical line, it's called sh. Now draw pahla ukar like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called kshu. Next letter is nu. First draw nya like this, first j and at the end make a tail like this, it's called nya. Now draw pahla ukar like this and horizontal line on the top, it's called nu.